Teachers and students, this is Mr. P from Bulldog Headquarters. Today we're going to be covering how to sync up your OneDrive with Schoology. So you're first going to start by launching your Launchpad, and from your table of apps you will select Schoology. Once you're in Schoology, go up to Resources at the top right center of your screen. Okay, and then go down to the list. It's in gray. It says Apps. Once you're there, you'll see that my OneDrive is already linked to this, and the benefit is that you can access these materials and post stuff easier to Schoology than if you went a different way and you had to post links or upload documents. This is just a quicker way of doing it. So once you click on apps, you'll go through a series of authorizations. Just continue to click yes. If you do see a page asking to install an extension, just simply hit continue to website and you'll be linked up. Okay, so if you have any further questions, please contact the group. Have a great day.